Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Okemute. If it's your first time here, hello, thank you so much for joining the family. In today's video, we have a new unit from Luvme Hair. Thank you so much, Luvme Hair, for sending this one out to me. So let's see what we have.
Sunshine, I've been waiting. Sunshine, why you playing?
Alright you guys, so this is her straight out of the pack and I'm loving it already. I can tell that I'm going to really like this one because I've been looking for a nice and short bob wig. This one is their Glueless blunt cut C-part wig. She comes with one comb on each side, one comb at the back, our adjustable straps and the extra elastic band, and this is what the hairline is looking like. The hairline already comes pre-plucked, not already bleached and all of that good stuff. So we're just going to head right into styling and I'll be back with my final thoughts.
Bring you sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever now. Spotlight from my cell phone, sounds like it's your ringtone. I get chills when you call, wanna give all night long. Show me affection, attention, and care. Losing attention, and baby, I swear I'll give you my tomorrow, forever and now. I'll never bring you sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. Tomorrow, forever now. Chills, yeah, I get chills when you come. Wanna give you my all, so don't you let me down. Hey, why you play with my head? Can't you love me instead? I give my all, I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. I'll never bring you sorrow, so don't let me down. I'll chase away your shadows, away from the crowd. I give you my tomorrow, forever and now. Oh, lay here by my side all day, all day, all day. Tell me it's gonna be alright. We gon' work it out. No way, no way, no way. The floor is cold, it chills my bones. I'm all alone. Send me to you. It's been a month since you've been gone. I'm all alone. Send me to you. Hey, where you at, where'd you go, babe? Can't you see that I need company? I'm losing it, losing my way. Only get through when it's you plus me. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Honestly, can't you just call me? Where you at, where'd you go, babe? Let me fix my mistakes. Wish you could be here right now. Lay here by my side all day, all day, all day. Tell me it's gonna be alright. We gon' work it out. No way, no way, no way, yeah. The floor is cold, it chills my bones. I'm all alone. Send me to you. It's been a month.
Alright you guys, so this is what we have after styling, and this one I absolutely love it, you guys. The first thing that came out of my mouth when I put this one on was wow. The cut on this unit is gorgeous, and this one can literally be worn straight out of the pack. Like, you don't have to worry about too much styling. As you guys saw, I didn't even have to do too much. I already had my straightener out right before I started, and when I popped out, I'm like, okay, would I not have to go in with my straightener because this looks so good? But I was just feeling a bit extra, so I went in a little bit in the front area with my straightener, and you guys, gorgeous. This one is definitely worth your coins in my opinion. If you're a beginner, you're going to love this unit because you don't have to worry about too much styling. As you guys saw, I didn't even have to put my concealer in the parting area because, you know, I just feel like this looks really natural and I don't have to go in too much, and I just love the blend, you guys. There was no need to go in with my concealer, and the lace as well melted in really nice. This one is such an effortless unit, you guys. You don't have to worry about too much styling. And for shedding and tangling with her, I didn't really experience any form of shedding or tangling with her. In case your head is bigger than my 22.5 inches as well, I still feel like this might work for you, even though it feels really snug and firm on my head. I still feel like I have a bit of wiggle room in there. And yeah, you guys, I think we pretty much covered everything. Love this one. Definitely recommended by me. This is definitely going into my everyday wig collection because I can't get over how good that this unit looks. The cut, everything that she's giving, gorgeous. I'm going to have the direct links and every information that you need written in my description box. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, join the family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.